How to sell on Etsy for beginners 2026. To sell on Etsy as a beginner in 2026, you must register a seller account. So to register seller account, first of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Etsy shop. Once you open the official website, proceed to sign up from there. All you have to do is configure your storefront and publish your first product listings. You simply have to proceed to set up the account, provide your details, and once you register for your Etsy seller account, you simply have to select the products, verify your inventory, and also make sure that it complies with the Etsy guidelines. Once you register your account and go through all of these options, list your first item, upload the imagery, write the title and description, input the search tags, and also set inventory and pricing. Then optimize and open your storefront by simply designing the visuals, upload a professional shop banner, and also draft store policies, and then simply click the launch shop to make your storefront public. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.